Hi guys, it's your boy Franklin, aka the King of Trainers. Welcome to 2021, my very first What's in the Box of 2021, and it had to be a special one. Okay, let's get straight into it. So you guys know I rep for Diadora very, very hard, and this is, for me, one of the favorite drops of 2020. Let's go. Okay, you should already know what's inside here. For those of you who really know about this thing, you should already know what's inside here. Side 1, side 2. Let's get straight into it. Pow! Diadora, Packer shoes, Raekwon, only built for Cuban Linx, 25th anniversary pair. Came out in 2020 despite the lockdown. You already know this pair is crazy. I had to do an extended YouTube with a special video for you guys. Make sure you guys check me out on my IG channel, King of Trainers. But I had to do a special YouTube version for you and show you guys the greatness. I don't know if you guys can see it. Pow. Okay, so that's the two pairs. The pair, sorry. With the laces, the checkered laces, the cream with the yellow tips. These come with the red laces. You can see, and that's ostrich skin there. Oh my goodness, this is crazy. This is absolutely crazy. Came in a, I ain't gonna say what these bags are used for, but you should already know. You should already know. Okay, cool. So let me put this down. Let me also bring out a couple other pairs that I have. You see Raekwon, Peace and Love Ray, signed boxes. Peace and Love Ray from Raekwon himself, signed boxes. And then, signed Cool Chris, shout out Cool Chris. Shout out Mr. Briggs, shout out the camp out, shout out all my guys, Death to Foams, everybody chasing girls, Manny, who made sure that the King got a pair of these. I had about 3 pairs, I ain't gonna lie, but these are so crazy right now. So this DS pair, the original purple tapes, DS pair with the Diadora tag still on them. I can lick the soles. Can do that. It's one of my favorite trainers of all time. And I've got the pair that I beat around. This is my pair that I really go to work in. But you gotta have them like to hand ready. Shout out my guy Word in the Feet. He already knows. Shout out Diadora Dells as well. Shout out everyone who reps Diadora. Yeah, I love these. These are amazing. Shout out Diadora, man. We're gonna have to work on something. The King is back. Yo, yeah. So I just had to show you guys. My guy Cool Chris was out in the States when these dropped. He camped out, went to queue out, and Diadora, Raekwon from Wu-Tang Clan signed these for me with King of Trainers on here, pow, and then my guy Mr. Briggs got a pair signed, Peace and Love Ray. So I had to represent for these incredible pair. Look at that. Look how incredible they are. Let me bring them back to back with the original pair. Yo, incredible. So for those of you, this is my little review. It's not even a review, it's just me just paying homage to the shoe, man. It's me paying real homage to Raekwon, to Packer shoes, to Diadora for producing another great shoe. So yeah, can't go wrong. Can't really go wrong. Yeah, so thank you for your time. I know you guys want to see around the shoe. Let me show you guys quickly, man. Okay, you got the ostrich skin there. You got the pony hair around here, you know. You got the premium materials. Yeah, it can't, you know, inside like the originals. You've got the side 1, side 2. You know, inside the original, you've got all the track listing. This is incredible, absolutely bonkers. You know, so yo, I mean, it's mad expensive with that import charge. It's crazy expensive still. So I'm just happy to have them. You know. This has been your boy Franklin, aka the King of Trainers. You know, representing every single time for Diadora. Nothing but love. I'll speak to you lot later.